This is the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag. It's essentially like a tile tracker, but it's Samsung's own version. First of all, the box itself is really small. On the right side, it shows a dog, a luggage and a key, demonstrating where you could put the SmartTag on. On the back, it shows all the specs and information. So there's 2 seals at the top, so just cut those with a knife or whatever you have. And don't make the mistake I made, that's not how you open the box. This is how you open the box. The SmartTag is on the top and there's some quick start guide leaflets at the bottom. So the SmartTag is made out of plastic and it's really lightweight. It comes in white, light brown, black and pink colour. It's pretty small and thin. You can attach it to your keys, your dog, your cat or anything else. I'll probably attach it to my Galaxy Buds because I lose it every 2 seconds. The middle of the tag is actually a button and I accidentally pressed it, so I guess it's time to pair it with my phone. The SmartTag uses a standard CR2032 coin cell battery, which is rated at 220 mAh, and it should last you about 280 days, aka 9.2 months, before you would need to replace it. Download the SmartTags app if it's not already installed in your phone. If you already have the app, then make sure you update to the latest version. Press the button. I've already pressed it, that's why there's a pop-up. SmartTag uses Bluetooth 5.0 and it should give you around 120 meters of range. However, if you got obstacles in the way such as walls or doors, then the range will decrease depending on the thickness of the obstacle. It does use Bluetooth low energy, so it shouldn't drain too much of your phone's battery. Alright, it's time to name your SmartTag. For some reason my SmartTag wasn't responding, but after about 2 minutes it showed up on the SmartThings app. You will probably need to update your SmartTag before you can use it. Seems like this thing can get software updates for future improvements, so that's pretty cool. It has IP53 certification, meaning it is dust resistant and kind of water resistant, but it's not advisable for you to splash it or dunk it in water. Using the app, you can view where the SmartTag is on the map. You can also use the search nearby function, so the closer you get to the tag, the more the circle is filled. You can also make it beep by using the white button below. Although it is a tracker, it has the ability to locate your phone. For example, you have your tag with you but you lost your phone. Maybe the phone is inside the sofa or somewhere you just don't know. Just double press the SmartTag button and it will ring your phone. You can also do actions with the SmartTag, so you can assign different actions for either a single tap or tap and hold. For example, you can assign an action for when you single press. For example, you can turn off and on a compatible SmartThings bulb or any other devices. You can notify a person when you use this action, and you can change this location's mode or run scenes. You can set a low or a high volume for the SmartTag itself. You can also change the ringtone. There's about 10 other ringtones you can choose from, which is plenty. And at the bottom, it will show you the SmartTag's battery life. Since the SmartTag uses Bluetooth 5.0 to locate where the tag is, it's not going to be the most precise thing in the world, which is why it's better to use the ringtone function instead, because it's just quicker to locate it. The SmartTag Plus, however, which is launching later this year, it will use UWB, which stands for ultra wide band. Thanks to UWB, it will give you precise pinpoint location if you ever lose your SmartTag Plus. It will also have an AR guide, meaning with augmented reality, you'd be able to see where your SmartTag Plus is using the camera. For the SmartTag Plus, your phone has to support UWB in order to use this precise location. UWB can only be found on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, the Galaxy Z Fold 2, the Galaxy S21 Plus, as well as the Galaxy S21 Ultra. The SmartTag and SmartTag Plus will only work on Galaxy devices, so that kind of sucks, but if you want a tracker for any other Android phone out there, it's best you get a tile tracker. The SmartTag single pack will be $30 or £30, and the SmartTag Plus single pack, which is coming later this year once again, it will be $40 or maybe £40. The UK pricing hasn't been confirmed yet. And boom, that's it. That's how straightforward this SmartTag thing is. If you got any other questions about the SmartTag, then let me know in the comments below. I think I've covered most of the features and tutorials and whatever. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Bye.